Can't even see it. I was gonna, oh my god. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be an eyebrow routine for these eyebrows. Hello. So yeah, this is gonna be a very short intro, but if you're new to my channel, subscribe. Tell me what other videos to down below because I kind of don't really know. So yeah, hope you enjoy the eyebrow routine. Let's get into it. First we'll start with what I actually use on my eyebrows because I feel like that's a great place to start. Okay, so I actually use this Maybelline colour tattoo and it's in black because my actual hair is quite oh, you can see the reflection. Is that going to be annoying? Anyway, yeah, my actual hair is quite dark. Use a brush from eBay and then I just kind of outline the top of my brow down like so. Oh my god, that is so bad on camera. Oh my gosh, that's really gonna bad. Actually, probably doesn't. And then I go under, outline the bottom, and kind of join it to that line. Why does it look so bad on the camera? Oh gosh. Anyway. Then I kind of just fill that in. So bad. And I go under, and then I join that line up with like so, and then I kind of push it upwards. So, by the way, I'm not adding any more product onto my brush from when I last did. I kind of bring it forward, blend that up. If I really can be asked, I'll get concealer and like I'll get concealer and conceal like under there. But if not, I just get a baby wipe and wipe it, you know. So I'm gonna go do that. Before, this is the after, and that's literally all I do. I don't like set it or anything because that Maybelline thing is like 24 hours. So yeah, that is the final brow. Let's do the other one and I'll be right back, or I'll speed up so you can see it again, but just like fast.
Just have the brilliant YouTube video idea. I bet it's already a thing. I'm just going to keep quiet because I want to put this up and it's already a thing because I'm sweating. So, I'll keep it quiet until I know it's not a thing. The messy because... Done! Woo! Look at that brow!
And that is basically my eyebrow routine. That's everything I do to get my brows. This video, hope you enjoyed, hope you do your brows nicely. I don't know, but yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.